In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do multiple if statements in Google Sheets. This tutorial is designed to help you navigate the process of using multiple if statements effectively. So whether you're a seasoned Google Sheets user or a beginner, you'll find valuable insights to enhance your spreadsheet skills. Let's get started with this hands-on guide. First, open up a Google Sheet. If you don't have one already, you can simply go to Google Sheets through your Google account and create a new document. Once you've got your sheet open, we're going to begin working with cell B2. Click on that cell to activate it. This is where we'll input our multiple if statements formula. Now, it's time to type in the formula. In cell B2, input the following. Quizás if A2 to 1, 1, if A2 4, 4, if A2 7, 7, if A2 is 2, 2, none of these numbers. This formula is built to check the value of cell A2. If A2 equals 1, it'll return 1. If A2 equals 4, the result will be 4. Similarly, A2 equals 7 returns 7, and A2 equals 2 gives us 2. If none of these conditions are met, it defaults to returning none of these numbers. This way, you can evaluate several conditions in one go, which is extremely useful when dealing with diverse datasets. Once you've entered the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This will execute the formula and display the result based upon the value in A2. If you've input the formula correctly, you should see one of the expected results in cell B2 based on the value in A2. If the formula is functioning as planned, it's time to use the powerful autofill feature to apply the formula to other cells in your column. Position your cursor at the bottom right corner of cell B2, where you should see a small blue square. This is the autofill handle. Simply click and drag this handle down to extend the formula to other cells in the column, enabling you to evaluate similar conditions for an entire range of data effortlessly. This method of using multiple if statements and leveraging the autofill feature can save you a significant amount of time and reduce manual errors. It's a handy tool for anyone regularly working with conditional data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different conditions and data sets to see just how flexible and powerful these tools can be. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.